It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. Retro car shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son, can you play me a melody? He's not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and sweet, and I know it's complete when I wore a young woman's clothes. Sing us a song, you're the pianoman. Sing us a song tonight. We're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke. But there's some place that he'd rather be. He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that he could be a movie star if I could have out of this place. Now Paul is a real essence-neverist, never had time for a while, and he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy, and probably will be for a while. And the waitress is practicing politics as the businessman slowly gets stoned. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody. You've got us feeling alright. Pretty good crowd for a Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me that be coming to see, to forget about all a while. And the piano sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a bee, and they sit at the bar and put bread in my jaw and say, man, what are you doing here? Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody. You've got us feeling alright. Sing us a song, you're the pianoman.
Ga je doen?
Dan kan ik eraf halen.
Hallo!